Hi guys, so as we know, market is evolving. It's moving towards AI. So as a DevOps engineer, how we can enhance our skills to become ready for the upcoming market? I will discuss in this video. I will provide you end-to-end roadmap for moving from DevOps to AIOps. As a DevOps engineer, we knows the main feature or main advantage of DevOps is to end-to-end delivery of our product by automation. So I am Unnati Gupta. Right now you are watching AI Oops with Unnati. Let's discuss end-to-end roadmap from DevOps to AI Oops. So yes, the first steps to become a from DevOps engineer to AI Oops engineer is strong DevOps foundation. Foundation in that you should know about cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP. Not all, but at least one or two. You should know at least one. You should know in deep, and second one you can understand that because most of the things is same. So no worry about that. And the next one is containerization. Containerization is Docker and orchestration. Orchestration is your KTS. The next thing is you should know about the infrastructure as a code. The tool is Terraform. Everyone knows. Then you know about CI/CD, basic like the main thing in DevOps. In CI/CD, the tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions, and monitoring and Prometheus, monitoring and logging. So logging in that it will take Prometheus and Grafana. There's other tools in the market. I'm not focusing right now in the tools, but you should know the concepts like how we can fetch the metrics and all. So the next step is data collections and centralizations. If you are moving from towards to AI, in AI obviously we need data. So you have to learn data collection and centralization. Under that we will cover how to collect metrics, how to collect and fetch the metrics using Grafana and Prometheus. Then the next will be track the check the logs, track the metrics, and so the next step is the third step. You have to learn how you can store your issues like metrics, data logs, how you can store. So store and track the issues, track the issues. In that you can use database like PostgreSQL, MySQL, any database you can use to store the logs and to store the metrics and data. To store the logs, metrics, and data. Right now, might we will not get why we need these things, but later you will get it. Why we need to become DevOps engineer to AIOps engineer. We need this data and all. So the next step will be So these all are the steps which we are covering as a DevOps engineer. The next step where you step into a DevOps engineer, DevOps to AIOps engineer, is like to build AI agents. In that, if you don't know, like people are saying, we don't know Python, we don't know programming language as a DevOps engineer, but at the end we should know about that. So, and right now you are trying to become or you are going to become a AIOps engineer, you should know about the Python. So you should learn Python. Uh, Not in deep AI techniques or ML models, but no basics of ML and AI. Cover some library like NumPy, Panda, Pandas is there, NumPy, Pandas, Pandas and Skitlan and Matplotlib to plotting the graph of our matrix and understand the data. These you should learn about this, and after that there is some module also modules in Python like OS request, API calls, how to call not API calls module, it's how to call APIs. You should know about these things. And yeah, so when you build this AI agents, don't forget to store the data into the DB. Store data into the DB, into DB for traces, removing, checking logs, checking issues later, and there might be a dead duplication happen. So you should understand that also and maintain the history. You should have record for that. And the next point, now if after this your AI agent will be ready. So what you should do, you have to learn like how to set up AI oops into clusters, into your stack, like your stack me cluster, or inside the cluster. So yes, into your stack inside the cluster. Then there's another last point is like you can integrate with the like notifications. You can integrate notifications. I will say integrate notifications or automations. So these all are the steps. The main thing is you should know about the strong DevOps foundation, like cloud platforms, containerizations, and data collections. We can check logs, Prometheus, these things. Then store and track the issues. To build AI agents, you have to learn Python now. Till now might be there's a less chances to learn Python, but I will always suggest as a DevOps engineer so know Python and any other programming language. Then store data into the DB. So you have to understand how we can manage DB and all. Then how to set up AIOps into a stack, indicate notifications or automations. This is the end-to-end roadmap, moving from DevOps to AIOps or to become ready from DevOps engineer to AIOps engineer. Uh, yeah, that's all for today. We'll discuss in next video in deep about these points. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.